And here these tikkis are fried, and see friends, they have turned nice and crispy and crunchy. Each tikki has got this awesome crunch of this rice. Superb. Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making very crispy and crunchy aloo tikki. Aloo tikki is a very popular Indian street food, and here's what you need for this recipe. So here I have taken 2 medium-sized potato, boiled, peeled and then mashed, and I have kept these potatoes into refrigerator for about 2 hours now. Then in masalas we need half teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of chaat masala, some finely chopped green chilli, coriander leaves, half teaspoon of black salt. Now the thing with boiled potato is that when we boil them, this potato tend to lose lots of moisture, and because of moisture our tikki just don't hold shape and they turn out to be little runny or very loose or soft when we fry them. Now what to do? अब क्या करना है? जुगाड़ करते हैं. Now to be able to absorb the moisture from this aloo, what we need? We need 2 tablespoons of thick poha and 2 tablespoons of rice. Yes, this poha helps to absorb all the excess moisture from this boiled aloo, and this rice is going to give it a nice and crunchy and crispy texture. Now in a blender jar, let's add in this rice plus this poha flakes together and grind this to make this into a fine powder. Perfect. And look at this. Now you don't need to make this into a very fine powder. We need little bit of coarse texture so that we get that nice and crunchy tikkis out of it. Now in this boiled and mashed aloo, we are going to add garam masala first, then add in red chilli powder, amchur powder, that is dry mango powder, black salt, finely chopped green chilli, coriander leaves and salt. Now let's first mix this together really good. After all the spices are well combined with the aloo, let's add in a poha and rice mixture. Add little at a time and continue to mix it or knead this. As long as you see most of the moisture has been absorbed and it has turned nice and stiff dough. And here I have used the entire mixture of this poha and rice. Now let's make tikkis out of it. So let's first make small ball from this mixture like so. So if you want, you can make stuffed tikkis also. You can stuff this using some chana dal, moong dal, paneer, anything that you like. But today I am going to make these simple, plain, crispy, crunchy tikkis. Once this is done, just flatten it out and give it a shape of tikki like so. Perfect. So here I have shaped all our aloo tikkis. Now it's time to fry them. You can either shallow fry them, deep fry them, whatever you like. Now let's drop in these tikkis one by one into hot oil. So from 2 medium potatoes we can make about 6 to 7 nice size aloo tikkis, and while frying these tikkis you need to deep fry them on medium heat only, as if you deep fry them on a very high heat they will get cooked fast and will remain uncooked from inside. And since we have used raw poha and rice while making these tikkis, we need to make sure that it gets cooked evenly inside out. Alright, all tikkis are fried over medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes now. Let's flip this over. Wow, look at the color it has got. Awesome. Turn this around and allow this to cook from other side also for around another 5 to 6 minutes. And here these crispy crunchy aloo tikkis are fried from both the sides for about total 8 to 10 minutes. Let's turn off the heat and let's take them out. Shake off all the excess oil and remove them onto paper towel. And here these tikkis are fried, and see friends, they have turned nice and crispy and crunchy. Each tikki has got this awesome crunch of this rice. Superb. Perfect street style crispy crunchy aloo tikki. So to try out these crispy crunchy aloo tikkis at home and to let me know in the comment box below. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.